Sagittarius, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is everything turns to light. You know what we say on this page, baby. Touch, fingerprints, blueprints, mind prints, footprints on everything, pink prints, blueprints. We need you to touch everything. If you have a thought that comes to your mind, use that. Implement that. It's going to change your life. If you are going through a challenge, it's building you to be a stronger being. You're ready. You're being built. You're being tested, but you're being built to be able to manifest and actually maintain and sustain huge, stronger, heavier blessings. Blessings come with their own weight, but you put in this work, everything turns into light. Guarantee you're going to be blessed with something even bigger than you can imagine and even ask for. No one said it'd be easy, but it is worth it. I work to improve myself, embrace all that life brings to me, and I transform darkness into light. Positive energy brings positive results, blessings, breakthroughs, new life. You turn in your life from living from surviving. Negative darkness, that means you need lessons. You need to learn why you need to let things go. You need to learn why you need to let anger, doubt, grudge, anything, all the negative energies, they give you lessons on why you need to just forgive, and forget, not tell you forgive, but forgive, let go of that trauma and replace that new empty space with positive light. I allow myself to grow and become stronger. Therefore, you get stronger, bigger blessings that you can maintain and sustain. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself. I love you too.